Hi, it's Raymond Whittaker from VivaMk, just unboxing another delivery. So let's have a look, see what's inside the delivery. So we have sparkle, so sort of probably bedding sheets. Now 2 pillowcases. Got fridge freezer liner. We've got a silicone toilet brush. Got some soup and sauce bags. Got some eco-friendly bathroom cleaner. Got some pure pink polish. Got some soap flakes. Got some washing machine cleaner. Got some compostable food wrap. We have a blast can, air freshener. So we have a splatter screen. So we've got a pair of kitchen scissors. We've got a set of oven gloves. Got a pillow spray. So thank you for watching and see you next time.